I asked some drivers if they would like to drive a skip lorry, and here is what they think about it.
No!
No.
No.
No. No, no, no.
No. No.
No!
No! No! No!
And of course, every driver, including myself, would love to have a V8. But is it really that bad to be a skip lorry driver? Let me take you on a trip with me, and I will show you how my day looks like driving a skip lorry. Everything is up and running. I've got the yellow brake lights on, but I'm sure it will come off, maybe because of the cold night. Yeah, but basically we are good to go. Now we are just before Isle of Skye, before Skye Bridge, and I'm going to drop my trailer here because I will do Plockton first. That's my plan. And someone could say that I did something wrong by putting skips at the back of the trailer rather than to the front, but actually two empty small skips doesn't make too much difference, to be honest. You can see difference in colors comparing to May this year, not as yellow as it was back then. Can you see these hills covered in some yellow flower? Come on, lorry. Today we are going to the customer who's always have a skip, and he's not in the village but beside the airfield. So we go this way today. There we go. I'll be back in a moment. So another happy customer, and now the reason is why I left empty space at the front of the trailer is that I knew that this customer, he always puts a little bit of rubble into a skip, which makes it pretty heavy. So that's why I prefer to keep it at the front of the trailer, so it's sit nicely behind the lorry. There we go. Interesting thing, I've washed my lorry yesterday, believe me or not, and I've done 100 miles since the washing bay. We are just coming to Isle of Skye with Skye Bridge in front of us. So our next stop is Broadford on Skye. I'm going to leave my trailer here, and I've got 2 empty skips to drop off, 1 full to pick up from here. And we are always having a space somewhere to drop a trailer. So we don't have to take it all, all the time with us. And in Broadford, we are dropping our trailer at the industrial estate. It's pretty quiet up here, and we can have access to the front and the back of the trailer, because that's pretty important. Have to clean these mirrors because I can't see much because of the salt. Oh, there we go. Lift 2 8-yarders off the back. There we go. Right, so what we have next: Broadford Hotel and Waterside Cottage. There it is, Broadford Hotel. interesting thing about this app is that when office or other driver puts a location to some order and I put it on way option, then in navigation actually I can find location of the skip, which is quite handy. And then go into Google Maps and away we go. That's pretty smart and can save a lot of hassle. That's every day I'm in. Oh, there we go. The beacon's on. Black Park, number 1. We'll see. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, and I think that's an old Ferguson's trailer. Looks like it. Alright, so that's another one done. Let's go to Satran. So we are on the road which can take us to Dunvegan, but we are going left towards Carbost and Talisker Distillery. You can see a piece of artwork over here, and yeah, that's a very nice road up here, and usually it's pretty busy on summer, because Talisker Distillery, you know, plenty of people wants to see it, wants to taste it. But we are not going as far as Talisker Distillery, because actually Satran is the first village. nice and tidy. Well done, customer. There we go. What could go wrong now? So that's us. Last skip for today. Sorted. We are coming to Sligahan. And we've got Colin Hills over here. So now if we would take road to the left, we would go to Port 3, but we are heading back, so we'll go to the right. There is an interesting fact about Sligahan, or rather about Sligahan car park. That's a nice view over there. Yeah, as you can see, this yellow gate, they put this summer a height restriction on this little car park, which is always full on summertime, and it's been knocked down. It's been knocked down by, guess who? Camper van. We are coming to Sconser, and across the water you can see Isle of Skye, and oh, and there is a ferry down there in the pier, ferry which goes across to Isle of Skye. While I'm taking a break, I thought I could share with you some thoughts about, working as a skip lorry driver.